The Independent Patriots for Change (IPC) has dismissed the ongoing election process as illegitimate, citing widespread irregularities and disenfranchisement. Salve mashoko atona kuti aiwa munyika yeNamibia they have nullified, they have cancelled, vaya vakati akuna zvinhu zvakadai so mapose ayangamirwe regai kutiudza results. Saka pinda mashoko anomudanirwa panapa ndodigwa subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tipinda panapa muzimuselebs anomudanirwa achiti addressing the nation, the Brain Trust Foundation begged IPC leader Dr. Penduleni Itula declared the party's refusal to accept the results, describing the process as a sham election. In a strongly worded statement, Dr. Itula highlighted significant issues in the electoral process, including unexplained delays in vote counting, the lack of transparency in ballot handling, and the reports of voter suppression. Of an unknown total of ballot cast between the 27th and today, only 160,000 have been counted and released. Thousands of ballots remain locked away. Their fate unknown, Dr. Itula said, adding that polling agents were still awaiting instructions on whether and when to count the remaining votes. Dr. Itula criticized the decision to designate polling stations as voting centers, which he described as unlawful and contributing to the chaos. He claimed that the votes were being cast while counting and the results publication were already underway, a practice, as argued, undermines the credibility of the process. Mashoko atona kuti aiwa vakomana veopposition munyika yeNamibia vari vachidescribe kubatikana pamusoro pezviitiko zvinoitika mapolling stations. Vanoona kuti aiwa results avo akadhilewa, vachiona kuti madays angofamba vakangoreleasa zvavo kaportion zvavo kemapolling station. Ngotidza mafungo enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi? Muna comment section menu, subscribe or like, turn the bell.